Sly Media TV, building bridges.
Thank you.
Bye bye, Zama PF, bye bye. Desire Moyo, Kulumane constituency. Ahoy, Kulumane, ahoy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Gena Chamisa, Gena. Gena Chamisa, Gena. Ono Eric, Makweko Lopengula. Chamisa, where? Nero, where? Give those talos Sisi, Pelanda, Machabala. Thank you.
Gift. What are you putting on? What is it called, that thing?
Umtero ungene parliament mongameli.
Chamisa woye! Chamisa woye! Desmond Makaza, Mpopoma Mziligazi constituency. Ahoy Mpopoma ahoy! Ahoy Mziligazi ahoy! Siabong.
Gangene ujaha gangene. Ahoy Bulawayo ahoy. Peleste Mahlangu MP Phumula.
Mama washa kangene, angasuthi kangene inkazana kangene.
Salbonani. Kangene ujaha kangene. Kangene ujaha kangene. Mina ibizo lami nginguminenhle untando wenkosi owakogumede ngimele iBulawayo North.
The democratic principles. Honorable President, in Bulawayo, we have got 29 local authorities. Come the 23rd of August, Honorable President and citizens of Bulawayo, it is going to be 29 out of 29 ward councillors here in Bulawayo. Honorable President, we mean well. Honorable President, we have heard you. Honorable President, the citizens have suffered. Honorable President, Zimbabweans have suffered. There is no more time, honorable members and councillors, to work together for Bulawayo. Thank you very much.
Shabele ngoma. Sibamba ne. Our councillors here, you can see that is such a big number, aren't you? Do you want me? The time is running out. I know people want to go and watch the Highlanders. Do you want me to introduce them individually, or I will just introduce them as a one by one?
Angela Mlombe Angela! Angela Mlombe Angela! Edwin Jovu what 8 Sabon. Arnold Batrai True what 24 Geta.
Davu Mwinde what 13.
Danoenko Jovu what 28 Country Park.
Lazarus Impandwe what 19.
Adrian Rendani Moyo, Wat 2, Bulawayo North constituency. Gangenu Chaha.
Pumelelo Moyo, what 26 Mkanwini.
Muswagiwa Masugu, what 12 Jube.
Tumisani Neta, what 14, Lopemuna Makwekwe. Alex Njofu, what 25 Nketa.
Felix Tabunda Mazana, what 18 Magwego constituency.
Polisi Mashangu, Watch 3, Bulawayo North, Gangenu Chaka, Gangene, Angele, Yamlanda Banse.
Aposa Tinevimbo, what 21 Pelanda Chavalala, Sizinda Chavalala, oye! Chamisa, oye!
Susan is told what level am I can Gangene.
Kalazani Ndlovu, what 10 and Tumbana and in Juve, Gangenu Chaka.
Thank you, Emoyo. What 7 am I Kokoba Players of constituencies? They Tata Umati.
Tumisani Octavius Nkomo, Ward 5. Gangenu Chaka.
Shepherd Stole, Ward 1, Bulawayo Central. Kosnati, Wobe, Pofu, Country Park, Ward 6. Chipo Binikwa, Umkuza, Ward 19, Gangenu Chaka, Gangene. Karika Imazo, Ward 17, Umkuza. Engineer Royeni Segete, Ward 29, Gangene Uchaka, Gangene.
Simbarashe tuwe Ward 20 Pelanda Chavalala. Imezoku Jusandra Ndebele. Nomaku Gumloi, Country Park, Ward 15, Gangenu Chaka, Gangene.
Ward 22, Kulumanya constituency, Meli Moyo. Gangenu Chaka, Gangene.
Gangene Uchaka, Gangene. 116 to listen to Zaitatim Kuza.
What 18 Umkuza constituency Mbundane Mtunzini Gangene.
Ward 24, David Coltard.
Uzali Fotela ina makansela yetu. Thank you, Bulawayo Mulke. These are our councillors. I'm asking you to vote our councillors yetu. Whoever has not been introduced here is not our official candidate. These are the official candidates who are to be voted here in Bulawayo. Nialibonga, there are double candidates who are there, who have been put by first, but I have confidence in you. I know Temba Ukutai, uzafotela i-CCC kupela. Uzafotela makansela zetu yini? So, President, CCC, MP, CCC, councillors, thank you, Bulawayo. God bless you, councillors. Siyalibonga. Tina, Sitai, Mkaka 23, Sizangoa, Kakul, Sizangoa by a big margin. Do you agree with me that we are going to have a white one? Bye-bye, Zanubia, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Zanubia, bye-bye. By this time, end of the week, we will be celebrating. Zimbabwe is going to be under a new leadership. Get ready for a new leader. Get ready for a new president. Get ready for a new government. Get ready for a new life. Get ready for a new money. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Bulawayo Mulke. Sizangowa masinyane. Sizangowa ndolanye. Are you going to vote? Are you going to vote? I count on you for the vote on the 23rd so that we win with a big margin. We want to hear that Bulawayo ujaha like this. Ngongaka. Uiti. Kangani. Uzavota ini. Ujaha uiti. Green or yellow? CCC or another one? Anjo? Or CCC or that one? Umunwa or that other one? siyalithanda lonke, inkosi ubusise, uJesu uzahamba lawe, uJesu uzathi nika amandla ukuthi sinowe siwine. Thank you very much Bulawayo omhle, ngiyalibonga. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you.
With 2023 beckoning and the election frenzy in the country becoming more stronger each day, politicians are increasingly becoming visible, making more and more promises.
Primary education from grade 1 to grade 7 must be provided completely free.
Every village, in 3 years, there will be a ball in Orana solar.
Patinongopinda chunhu chekutanga kukudzorera pamakasiwa na Mugabe. Toda kudzorera maticha kwavaiva kwokuti ticha aizikanwa semunhu aitenga zikoti zheadmaster nenyaya yokuti anga ane udzamu nedignity.
But are these promises going to be fulfilled? The electorate is pondering on who to vote for in the council, parliamentary, and even presidential election. We bring you the candidate, where we interrogate their plans, their manifestos, their programs, to make sure that we give you information to make a choice on who to vote for. The candidate on Sly Media TV.